In this tutorial we are going to learn how to subscribe a package and make payment via MyFavTutor website in mobile phone browser. First, log in your account by clicking onto Login button. Enter the email address or mobile number registered with MyFavTutor at the email ID or mobile number section and its password at the Enter Password section before clicking onto Login button. Then you will be directed to a page called My Profile Setting. If you have yet to subscribe with any packages, a yellow notification will display right above the Personal Information section. Click on to Upgrade Now button and you will be led to a page called Subscription Plans. Scroll down and you will find two types of packages that you can choose to subscribe. Standard Plan is a package that unlocks unlimited leads without any extra charges or commissions. You can also earn incentives by referring to a friend in this package. Premium Plan is an upgraded version of Standard Plan that awards you additional trust with MyFavTutor verified badge, the appearance at the top of the list in the relevant searches, and potential of 1.5 times leads than the Standard Plan. Select one of these packages by clicking onto Standard Plan or Premium Plan button before clicking onto Upgrade Now button. You will be directed to a page called Subscription Checkout. MyFavTutor provides safe and secured payment system by partnering with Paytm and PayU that is coming soon. Thus, you may choose one of these payment options at the Payment Options section. Then, select Click to Pay button and you will be redirected to the Secure Gateway page. You can choose to do your payment via Paytm debit card, credit card, BHIM UPI or net banking by selecting one of these checkboxes. If you choose to pay via Paytm, enter the mobile number registered with Paytm at the text box given here and click on to Proceed button. Then key in the OTP at the Enter OTP text box before clicking on to Verify button to proceed with the payment details. For debit card and credit card, enter your card number at the card number text box. Insert the month and year of the card expiry at the card expiry date section and the card verification value at the CVV text box. Then click on to Pay button to proceed with these payment methods. As for BHIM UPI, you need to key in the UPI ID at its text box before clicking onto the Pay button to proceed with this payment option. While net banking, you may select one of these 5 banks listed here or choose one of them at the Select from All Other Banks section, before clicking on to Pay button that redirect you to their bank portal. Once the payment is successfully made, you will return to MyFavTutor website. If you require any further assistance, you may contact us at +91 62895 27335 or email us at contact@myfavtutor.in.